Hey friends, this is my little lamp that I made, and as you can see I used the silicone dipped bulb on this. Now these are meant to be just for decor purposes only. Don't dip anything besides like a nightlight bulb. You don't want to use anything with a high wattage. Just a nightlight bulb is all that it would take, and it's decor purposes. It's not meant to light an entire room or anything like that, or be left on for really long periods of time. They're just cute, and that's the style that they make when you dip them. And so this video is just to show how you can dip your bulbs for decor purposes only. Thanks. Hey everyone, it's Lori with Farmhouse Stencil Shop. I am out here on my back porch because I'm going to try to dip some silicone bulbs again. I'm going to try to make those again. If you missed that live, or if you caught the live, I had tried to dip some bulbs and they ended up turning out okay, but it wasn't the greatest. So I'm going to try it again. So I have some wire here and I have some little bulbs. And what I'm going to do is get some of these prepped. This is just some, actually it's like coated wire that you can find at Dollar Tree. So you're going to want to just cut some pieces off. That's what I'm going to do first. So what you're going to want to do is get your bulbs ready. And what I'm going to do is just wrap the wire around the top of the bulb. Then thankfully I have my porch here. I'm going to just hang them on the porch like this. We have cattle panels that go around our porch, so you're going to need some place to hang your bulbs. So you can run a line or something like that if you need to. Like a little clothesline or just something. You're going to need some place to hang them so they can dry really good. I want to let them dry probably about 24 hours. They'll probably be dry before then. You're also going to need some silicone. This is just some clear, it says tub and tile silicone. That's what I'm using. I have my silicone all loaded into my pool and ready to go. I have a plastic cup. I'm going to cut this down just a little bit because my bulbs are not very big. And I'm just trying to make it a little bit easier for me to dip the bulbs. Not bad at all. Really, really well. So now that I have it dipped, whoops, I'm going to hang it upside down. I knew I needed gloves. I should have put gloves on. Over here. Stay right there and dry. It's supposed to be warm. Should have started this earlier. I'm going to add a little bit more silicone into my cup. Grab some gloves. really good. A little curl on the end of it. Hopefully it'll stay like that. It might not because I'm going to put it upside down, but I'm hoping it will be okay. I grabbed some gloves. It's so peaceful out here tonight. There's some deer out there on the field. Hear me up here making noise. Okay. I also grabbed some cinnamon. So I wrapped a whole bunch of the bulbs in the wire. So I have a bunch ready. Continue dipping them. Gloves on this time. So as I'm dipping them in the cup, I'm kind of spinning it around just a little bit. I'm going to do one more bulb like this. Then I'm going to add some cinnamon. Not bad. Not bad. All right. Good. Okay, so I have some cinnamon. I'm just going to add the cinnamon right into the silicone, and I have a little plastic spoon. What it looks like. Really, it is very strong. Make sure you're in a ventilated area. Okay, so you get the gist of how to do this. It's definitely a messy project. I would say just give it a try and see if you like how it turns out. Um, I've got a few of them done. I think they're going to be fine. It's definitely messy though, so just be prepared to have a mess if you do these. But I end up liking the way they look in the end, so I think they'll be good. So I will definitely let you know how it goes. I'm gonna finish up right here and call it a night with this video. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoy the video. Let me know if you have any questions at all. I'm still playing around with this process, but for the most part, I like how they look. So they're going to work out well for my crafts. So I will definitely let you know how it goes. Have a good night, friends. Bye-bye. So it's morning out here now and the sun is coming up. It's going to be a beautiful day, and I have my little bulbs drying out here. So I really like how some of them turned out. They are all dry. They are definitely dry. Some of them are a little bit messier than others, but I can actually like trim that up and clean that up. Let me pull this one off because this one is catching my eye. It's pretty nice. Looks pretty good. I'm happy with that.